Find the percent of change to the nearest percent. If you go from 74 hours to 85 hours, what is the percent of change? Well, the percent of change formula is going to be whatever your new value is, which would be this guy. That's our new value, 85. And we're going to subtract away our old value, which is 74. That's me writing out old. And then once we find that number, we divide that whole thing by the old value. So it's going to be new minus old, all divided by old. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute those guys in. I have my new value, which is 85, minus my old value, which is 74, all divided by my old value, which is 74. So whenever you have two numbers being subtracted, added, whatever on one side of a fraction bar, do that. 85 minus 74 is 11, and that leaves us with 11 over 74. Now, this is not a pleasant number, so what we're going to probably have to do is run to the calculator and figure that out. When we do that, we get 0.1486. Now, that's not our answer. Don't circle it. That is a decimal. In order to turn a decimal into a percent, we're going to multiply this by 100. An easier way of doing that, though, is take our decimal and move that to the right twice. So what we get is 86%. Now, the directions here are saying round it to the nearest percent. So 14.86, if you're thinking as like, money, $14.80 is closest to $15. So 14.86 cents is going to be 15%. Listen, I'm keeping all the errors, all the mental gaffes in here because I think it's important. But that's how you do it. New minus old, all over old. Since we are going from a small number to a big number, we are increasing, and we're increasing about 15%.